Jack, great game, great performance. Congratulations for man of the match. But it took a little bit of time to break them down.
It did. I think in the first half we just lacked a bit of patience and a bit of cohesion as well. It's only the second game of the season, so it took a while for things to stick, and we rushed things a little bit. But I think we got into the flow and we worked hard to go around the corner. We broke them down bit by bit. And I think that just paid dividends in the end. And, they found it hard to stop. Second week in a row, haven't scored any tries. So, great performance from the boys. Young side here tonight out playing, and delighted for them.
Certainly at half-time, we spoke to John Forward. He said the message was clear. We've got to cut down those handling errors. Was that mainly what was wrong?
Absolutely. We were pushing things too early. It obviously rained heavy enough to try today. And that showed tonight. The surface was a bit slippery, so early on I think lads were just struggling to find their feet and their hands a little bit, and we grew into it.
You seem to be very comfortable in that number 8 jersey. You're getting very fond of it. Not interested in handing it back.
No, it's great to play. Any chance you get to play for Leinster is fantastic, and I was delighted to get 20 minutes off the bench last week and to start this week and be back in the RDS with a great crowd and a great side.
Big trip away course next week. That's what a lot of people have been talking about. One I'm sure you will very much hope to be involved in, and most likely will be. How much are you looking forward to that one?
Yeah, I can't wait. I think the boys are so buzzed to be on that very first trip over there, see what it's like, soak up the atmosphere and see what a new side can bring. We've seen the attacking style of rugby they played over the last 2 weeks, but now we'll really turn focus to them and prep fully for going over there. Well,
Jack, a well-deserved man of the match, and congratulations to you. Niall Lawless on behalf of Guinness is here to present you with your medal.
Fair play to you.